In this video, you'll learn how to add Ifc property sets to objects in a model and how to select which property sets to export to an Ifc file. Select, for example, walls. You can select all exterior walls by selecting one of them and then pressing Ctrl key and A from the keyboard. You can add property sets to all objects of certain type like you do here, or to a single object. Select Ifc property sets from the context menu. In the dialog, you can select which library property sets to use for these walls. Once you select a property set, there opens a list of all properties of the set. You can add a new property set for the objects by pressing the plus sign. Set a code for the new property set, for example, facade. Name a new property as facade brick, set its reference as fixed value, and type 85 mm modular brick as its value. In this way, you can create your own property sets for different objects. Now the selected walls have two property sets. In the same way, you can add property sets to all object types like windows, profiles, and floors. This means that you don't have to add property sets to library objects, but you can add property sets also after adding the objects. Once you want to export an Ifc file, select File, Export, and Ifc Export. In the dialog that opens, you can select which property sets are written to the Ifc file. There are three possible selections: Ifc Standard Common Property Sets, Vertex Property Sets, and User-Defined Property Sets. Ifc Standard Common Property Sets are on for every object by default. Vertex Property Sets are the default sets and user-created sets which are in the library. User-defined sets are those you create in the model and which are not in the library.